In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix language bar missing on your Windows 10 computer. When I talk of language bar, I'm talking of this language indicator that should be on the far right of your taskbar. However, if you are missing this, then follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now here you can see my language bar is missing. To fix this, go ahead and right click on your taskbar and then choose taskbar settings. And under this, scroll down until you see this option, turn system icon off or on. If you click on this, you should see we have an option for input indicator. Go ahead and toggle this on. And by toggling it on, you should see we have now our language indicator activated. Alternatively, if this is still missing, then go ahead and click on Start menu and then go to Settings. And under Settings, choose Devices. Here, go ahead and click on Typing, and under Typing, scroll down until you see Advanced Keyboard Settings. Under this, go ahead and check this. Use desktop language bar when it's available. Check this and you should see we have now language indicator available on our computer taskbar. So that's how you can fix language bar missing from taskbar in Windows 10. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.